Welcome to natureatwork.net. My name is Nataly and welcome to this week's episode. Today we will bring you natureatwork.net news. These are interesting findings about nature from reports and the world of science. This week, aquariums deliver significant health benefits. A study has been done which shows that people who spend time watching aquariums could improve their physical and mental well-being, a study suggested. The study done by the University of Exeter and University of Plymouth showed significant reductions in participants' heart rates and blood pressures. The findings appear in the journal Environment and Behaviour. The team was interested to see how people in urban populations and those who have little access to nature would benefit. This was the world's first controlled experiment. They let people look at different fish swimming in a tank, and sometimes there were no fish, just the rocks. And they did so for 10 minutes. During this time, the heart rate, the blood pressure, and various changes in mood were monitored. The result? Well, within 5 minutes, people were more relaxed and happy with more fish in the tank. Their heart rate dropped and their blood pressure lowered. After 5 minutes, levels stabilized. Over the whole 10 minutes, people got happier and happier basically. So people even relaxed watching an empty tank. So the scientists are now considering if they can use this blue gym in hospital. What do you think? Do you think it could benefit you? Do you suffer from high blood pressure? Speeding heart rate? Do you have mood swings? Do you feel depressed? Then perhaps watching fish swimming in an aquarium for a considerable time a day would be beneficial for you? Well, perhaps. So that is why we from natureatwork.net in the next episode have made a compilation of different aquariums that you can look at. Have a look at it daily, a few times a day perhaps, or even one time a day for 10 minutes, and see whether this experiment can benefit you as well. If you know of anybody that may benefit from this, an older person or a family member, or you yourself, please share. Good health to you.